What is up guys, welcome to another video and you're watching CB Tech King Live here. So in today's video we are going to talk about Sony Xperia XZ3 which is just launched by Sony few days ago. So without any further delay, let's get this video started. So first of all, let's discuss about the display for the Sony Xperia XZ3. So it comes with a OLED capacitive touchscreen display along with 16mm colors, and the size for this display is going to be 6 inches, nothing less, nothing more. And this display will provide you 80.5% screen to body ratio. Furthermore, the resolution for this display is going to be 1440 by 2880 pixels with modern aspect ratio of 18:9, which will provide you a density of 537 pixel per inch. Now let's talk about the platform and the memory for the Sony Xperia XZ3. So it comes with Android 9.0 Pie out of the box, which is the latest version of the Android OS. The chipset which is used in this device is Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor along with Adreno 630 GPU. Furthermore, now let's talk about the memory for the Sony Xperia XZ3. So you will be getting a microSD card slot to expand your storage, and you will be getting 64GB of internal storage along with 4GB of RAM. Talking about the back camera for this device, you will be getting a 19 megapixel of single lens camera system along with f2.0 aperture, and for the front you will be getting a 13 megapixel of single lens camera system along with f1.9 aperture. Hence this device is going to have good cameras. Moving on, now let's talk about some of the cool features which are a part of this device. So the number one is that this phone comes with IP68 dust and water resistant. Number 2, this phone also supports Qi wireless charging, which is similar to the Apple's iPhone X. Number 3, this phone also supports quick charge 3.0, meaning you will be able to charge your phone at a much more quicker rate in comparison to the devices which does not support this. Last but not the least, let's talk about the battery capacity for the Sony Xperia XZ3. So it comes with a 3300 mAh of battery, which is just enough for a full day of usage, and in 2018 that's a pretty good timing. So this was it from today's video guys. If you people enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Peace out.